Hello, it's William Jumming, and I am developer of Webpage Rotator. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Webpage Rotator. So for example, there is an effect called Thatcher effect, which means that, let me just Google it. Thatcher effect is a phenomenon where it becomes more difficult to detect local changes. So Thatcher, we change that. Let me just use the Wikipedia image as an example. So I believe he's here. Okay, let me just make it bigger. Okay, so we get this Thatcher's image, and they change, they tweak the eye, the mouse a little bit. So this is normal one. This is like a changed one, and if you rotate this image, you can't see the difference. You can't see the changes. So this image looks weird, this looks normal, but you seems to find like really hard for you to find this like a tempering sign of these two images. But luckily, with the help of this Webpage Rotator plugin, you can solve this problem. So if you already have this Webpage Rotator, the only thing you need to do is to click and add to Chrome. Okay, add extension. So we'll automatically look at here. You will automatically add that to here, and normally it will hide. So if you want it out, you can go to the Webpage Rotator. You can pin it, and it will show outside. Okay. Go back to our Thatcher effect. So if you look at the image here, every time you click this Webpage Rotator, it will rotate clockwise 19 degrees. So let's try it out. Click it and rotate one time 19 degree. Okay, so you rotate, and another time you can rotate. You can see the difference. So wow, this image is has been tempered. Okay, so this image is changed. It's not the real Thatcher's image. Okay, so if you click here, you can see go back to normal. Okay, so every time you click it, it will rotate. It's not. Oh, it's anti-clockwise. Sorry about that. Anti-clockwise, 19 degree. Okay, and every time you click, we just rotate, 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 rotate. Okay, really simple one. And if you want everything go back to normal, really simple. You just need to refresh it. So refresh it, everything go back to normal. Okay, so it's a really simple JavaScript code that I wrote and add that to just wrap it around. Okay, so thanks for your support, and don't forget to give if you like enjoy my Chrome extension, don't hesitate to give me like a 5 out of 5 stars. Okay, thank you so much, and yeah, if you got any feedback, do please leave in the comments. Okay, so I will improve that in the future. And yeah, thanks. Bye. Peace.